So yeah, guys, just cleaning my floors with the Swiffer and check out this weird noise it's making. Why is it making that noise? Okay. Spooky.